Yo, welcome back. You're still tuned in to Channel 260 Straight Up and Down. It's your boy Kumkani Kunda with Odie Slash. If uyaqala ubuya ngoku and you're wondering about uphi Lord Nombanda is not here. Namhlanje we're riding as a duo namhlanje lawe. Yo, we're back. Segment 3. Let's get it, man.
Udneck boys, Udneck guys in the building. Alright, man. Our last segment. Yeah, Udneck man. Lloyd, the last segment that I want us to talk about, it goes something like this. Are we a too sensitive generation? I mean, like, I remember growing up as a kid, you used to get teased, and you go one day, prepare come back, is better than is, yeah. But these days, if you say something, hey, it becomes indo baba. You were too sensitive. You did not think of your feelings alone. You should have known better. So, like, do you think that we are a too serious or too sensitive generation?
I would say, generation I say we are too sensitive, man. Come on. Look, like social media, like Facebook. A lot of people, they would take in the Facebook, they would take it personally.
Yeah.
And then I thought then we'll get quick comments and start ambush athethe noni and then when you share kumangazeke like, yo, what, dude, bekanthetha nothetha ngawe lawe. And I was just ngibhala nje into endiyifilayo at a particular moment. Ayithathe ukubona then kubekwe ke ngokwaba ke ngoku bathanda uthrow away subliminals. Uba ubuzibhalele into yakho on Facebook, now the nigga comes back ayobhala yakhe into subliminals ubone lawe. I think Sibonisa ubu sensitive too much.
It seems like, Lord, you're talking from experience. Why learning as a personal? Did you get into it with someone on social networks?
Nah, man. Okay, look. Second abanazi lanuka moments like yandazi kamandi lanuka social media ninjani ubona.
Yeah.
Then people will come up to me. Abanye, they would even inbox me like aba andithandanga indlela obhale ngayo kula post. Ukubone. Ati so I'm like, no man, bengabhaleli wena. Ukubone. Ati no. You can't say that, you can't do that, you can't post such stuff. And I'm like, yo, if you can post ezakho izinto ubone ozifilayo without question, why can't I post what I'm feeling?
Yeah,
man. What do you think?
No, I
sensitive.
Yeah, bro, we're living in a super sensitive time right now. You can't even make a joke, especially if you make a joke about the alphabet gang. Yo, they're coming for your throat, bro. Even if you even if you did something or you posted something like that was a norm back then. But abantu bakwazi ukupulula ezo text, ezo tweets, ezo posts was posted like 10 years ago and make them must be relevant for this type of generation that is super sensitive. Crucify for something that was a normal thing back then. So yeah, man, I think we're living in a super sensitive times. We are a very, very super sensitive generation. If Baba, you are super sensitive, if somebody is watching this and they are super sensitive, I feel sorry for you, son.
Yo, man, we reached the end of the show today. Thank you for watching. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends this video. Look, it was great hanging out with you. OD. Let's do it next time, man.
All right, man. See you next time. My name is Odie / Born Again Hooligan. Remember, sanitize, wear your mask, keep that 1.5 to 2 meter distance every time you are in public. All right. Taking us home, it's my own boy Rhyme Flicker with a track called Gorilla. Aye, peace.
Idiot come from the ghetto.
She wanna walk with the nails. Hoping niggas get the mail.
What do you want from a nigga? What do you have from a nigga? Idiot, I'm chasing the figures. Tying these niggas like Caesar. Going gorilla, I'm Caesar. Rap niggas wanna feature. Switching up with the picture. Now these bitches want a picture. Shit is lit if you ask me. Lady, I don't like stressing. We fucking bitches and we passing. And see me now that I'm nasty. Get the cash, get the strap. Fuck the rest, I'm hitting back. She gave me sex, I said relax. I wanna flex, I wanna flex. It's all I have, it's in my head. I'm going mad, I'm going bad. I got the gas, I got the gas. I'm going ham, I'm going ham. You don't really understand me. People say I'm unfriendly. All this hate comes handy, but I never get angry. Y'all are sweet like candy. All this beef got an ending. All I got is my ad-libs. All you got is your nanny. All my copies not handy. With a squad, where the fan be. No defeat, no we can't be. Double F, you pay me. All this pain don't make me. I'm a legend in the making. No love, they faking. And so my heart stays aching. I don't want no late shit. I can do it on my own. She don't want to call on my phone. Why can't you leave me alone? What do you want from a nigga? What do you have from a nigga? Idiot, I'm chasing the figures. Tying these niggas like Caesar. Going gorilla, I'm Caesar. Rap niggas want a feature. Switching up with the picture. Now these bitches want a picture.